Hey, do you guys ever get this problem? You turn on your PlayStation and it all seems to work fine and stuff. You don't have anything on the screen that says PlayStation or HDMI channel or anything like that. It's just, it loads up, but it's just a blank black screen. Well, I have a solution to fix that. Now what you see here is I have a set-top cable box, my PlayStation obviously, and my flat screen, and all that is hooked up together to a sound system. And you just change the channels to the different devices that you want to use. Now, here's what I found out. Sometimes you'll get that blank screen, and I found out what you do is you go to your set-top cable box, you take out the power wire, take that out. This cable box is just like the PlayStation. You just take that out and wait 5 or 10 seconds and plug it back in, and you wait for the set-top box to load up and boot up to where it looks like that. It has the time, and you can turn the box on and everything. And what you do is you hit the power or you hit the home button on your crap PlayStation, and just start it up normal, and then you'll finally have a screen like I have. And mine's on default because I was an idiot and tried holding it down where you put everything to the factory settings. But that's how you do it, so I hope it helps. And if you need any more help, just leave a comment or whatever.